Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable tab previews in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser and then click on this one menu icon in the left side corner. Select settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera GX settings, select this one browser option in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to find this one user interface section, and here you will find this one show tab previews option. You can enable or disable according to your needs. Once you have enabled to test tab previews feature, open a few website, then make it inactive by selecting other tab. Now move your cursor and hover mouse over the inactive tab. You will see a preview of that tab